Yeah, how are you? How far on? Where's Larry?
And you know that we have this advantage over every other medal in this village. And you know the queen.
Double shift.
Wow, mother, ask yourself first.
There's nobody here.
Mama can try all our possible best to make it great. Choose us.
Yeah. You see him? I greet to you all, man. Yeah. You have the handle. Bring it now. Okay, don't worry. Just give me some automatic. Give me some automatic position now. Where's the camera? Where's the camera stand? Huh? It's okay. Just you can come and run it now. Where's my glasses? I left my glasses here when we were eating yesterday. Did you see it? You ask all these guys now. Now 1,000. Since now 1 year Aproko. Now 1,000 viewers. If you don't reach 1,000 viewers, we don't talk. So since now 1 year Aproko.com. Yo. Alright, we are live at Diaspora Event Center. As you can see. There's somebody there. Alright, so this is Diaspora Event Center. Let me just show you guys around a little bit. This is Diaspora Event Center. We wanted to create a place like a home. Alright. Diaspora Event Center. Open that line for me. So if you are in Nigeria, you can have small parties over here. And you can also stay here. You can see this is our lounge. You can use it to have your party, your birthday party for your children, for yourself. When you come around, you can have a private party here. Alright. Very, very affordable. We can give you this small size hall, including with 5 rooms. 5 rooms for 50,000 naira. So you can have 5 rooms, this hall, for 50,000 naira a night. So I think it's fair. And you can also use outside here. You can also use outside for your event. Alright. You just let me know when it gets to you can put it now.
Okay.
When it gets to 1,000 view.
Okay, sir.
If you don't get to 1,000 view, we are not saying anything.
Okay, sir.
Where's Paul? Oh. That time I get money. What's the name of the shoe?
Versace.
Huh? Show me your logo. This is the latest. Have you wear Versace? And this shoe is 7 years old. 7 years. Now we have to give me that shoe. This is another Sabi wear better thing. Just because we don't too care so much about fashion anymore. Let me say we don't know what time it is. You know? My ring there upstairs though. Before they call me say they was like not wear a ring or I've been here in while before. Nothing where they not go talk. Alright. We are gonna give you the riches. Bro, have fun now. Throw one for me, throw one for me. Now I can collect. Thank you. Those are some of our brothers from diaspora staying here. You know, the good thing about this place, you can stay here. It's in the heart of GRA, very, very secured. Right here is Wesley, Asolos Hotel, is a walking distance. This way is Empress Hotel, Princess Hotel. There are many things around here, so it's in the heart of GRA. So it's very accommodating. You know, it's not a 5-star hotel. It's not 5-star. I know what many of you in Europe are used to. I know what you are used to. I travel a lot. This year alone, I've spent nothing less than $5,000 in a hotel when I travel, because every time I travel to a place, I need to stay in a hotel. So I understand the standard what we expect, but it's very comfortable. We do our best to keep it up to date. To whom the bid fits, wear it. Confirmed, chief. Confirmed. Tomorrow, we are having a victory party. And if you love John Osagie, today will be a good time to show it. Yes. If you love John Osagie, today will be a good time to show it. This orange is good, man. You want some?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Listen, guys. This is the best form of orange juice you can get in Nigeria. If you try to buy all those orange juice they say they call it Oshivita, you're gonna hurt yourself. That's the truth. So only drink water and take fresh fruit when you're in Nigeria. If you go and drink all those things you see, they call Shivita, Strawberry Vita, don't do it, guys. You're gonna get sick. All right. Oshomole, come here. Oshomole, stand here. Osho Baba.
Sir.
Osho Baba.
Sir.
Where are you from?
From
Taraba State. This is one of our staffs. He's a new staff. He's been here for at least 4 months now. Really? 4 or 5 months.
8 months.
Okay, you know I travel for a long time, so. But we call you Oshomole because you are short like Oshomole, right? Taraba, Hausa.
Yes, sir.
You're not gonna use bomb finish us, no. Don't say your people they bomb well. Eh? As long as we call you one thing, I will make you very everybody boom. But on a more serious note, me, as I be observe people well. I want you to know that I'm very, very proud of you. Eh? The way you do this place, like saying on your own. Eh? I want me you know say I the same, okay? Thank you so much from my heart, okay? Alright, today I'll give you 5,000 meditation shop. Yeah? I appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much, alright? Yeah, I appreciate you. You know, young man, You do everything, man. When there's changeover, you go and get it. You make sure there's fuel. He moves around here to make sure there's no dirt. You know, people who work with their hearts is what we need in Nigeria. You know, many establishments do not succeed in Nigeria because a lot of persons only want to have the salary. They don't do it as a passion. So this young man is somebody I truly appreciate, and we are going to empower him. You know, we don't want, see, man, guy, I don't want me to do this job, say, will they pay you small money, you say nothing. Now, what you want for you be this, all right? The time will come, we're going to take you to the next level, okay? I know you have dreams. What do you want to become? Come and have a seat, man. What are some of your dreams, man?
I want to be a teacher.
A teacher?
Yes.
A teacher?
Yes, sir.
How? Why teacher?
Because I want to teach.
Why do you want to teach?
Because me that have more knowledge in Nigeria.
What school did you attend? Okay, what was the highest level of education that you have?
Secondary school now.
Secondary school?
Yes, sir.
So what was your plan before you moved from Taraba?
I'm planning now to find money or go to the next level for school.
Okay, but why did you move from Taraba to Benin?
I'm here to also to find money.
So before you proceed?
Yes.
Okay, that's why you came to Benin?
Yes.
How long have you been in Benin?
1 year, 1 month now.
So we are the first person you started working with?
No. I've started working for selling in the job. So
You were selling in the shop?
yeah, before. So as a woman come, she pay us two. Because the time is, you know, if you pay
Two people?
at the same time. So it's
What kind of shop is it?
selling provision, all those things.
Okay, you were helping them out?
Yes.
Yeah. How did you learn how to be so hardworking? Me, I'm a very strong man, but every time I see your activities, I feel like you are stronger than me. Where you get all your energy?
This one is for my father, the way my father treat us.
Growing up. Where's your father now? Is he in Taraba?
No, I have lost my dad
How many years ago?
2012.
What position are you?
22 years.
No, what position for the family? Which one?
The last born.
Okay, you are the last one.
Yes, sir.
Wow, I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
All right. So now, if you have an opportunity to go back to school, will you do it?
Yes.
You would like to go back to school?
Yes.
Do you want to go back to your school in your country or here?
Any place I would like to go.
I'm
Me,
good.
I just want
Don't worry,
to
don't worry.
visit.
You don't need to say anything. Not be person I call you, right? Now your good work for the past 2 months, I already watch you. Eh? A good person is a person who will see say one thing will do not go, even though it's not be your job duty. This one's where it is not be your job. Your job is just to open gates, if you want to come out, but you do more than your job, and I appreciate you for that. Eh? So don't worry, we will discuss. Okay, give me about 3 days. Let's discuss further. What I want you to do is that maybe go find out the requirements, what they need. You don't do your work.
I do a NECO.
NECO.
Yeah.
I don't know the difference. I don't need the education system.
The NECO, you meet all the credit
I
man.
practice the NAPTEC.
What is that?
Okay, not tech.
NAPTEC.
You pass all the course.
No, I never see the results now.
Both the NECO and the NAPTEC.
What's NEPCO, man?
NECO is like secondary school examination.
exam,
So you
okay.
can use it for higher institution.
Okay, but you
NECO
cannot
or-
rewrite if you don't have it.
Yes, I have practiced a NAPTEC.
But you really, your dream is to be a teacher.
Yeah.
That's your dream.
Yes, sir.
You want to teach.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay, we're going to help you. Okay. Let's find a way where you can work part time, but we'll still pay you for full time. We'll still pay you that your full time money where they get, but they go school part time. If you come, you work for evening. So let's find a way to do that. You talk to Larry. Larry will now get all the information. Let's see. I'm sure there's some schools around here, have you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that since you want to go to school, even though say
There's Open University.
Open University, but you can't go to university yet now. Can you go to university with name? Just take your time.
Alright,
Let's
sir.
reevaluate.
Alright,
Okay?
sir.
Let's see
you,
what I can
sir.
do for you.
Thank you, sir.
Don't change your ways, though.
No, sir.
Because I am like you. Huh? I am like you. That's why I just fell in love with you, man. Just keep it up. Alright? Matter of fact, maybe I'm going to make you their supervisor. Alright? Call the other ugly boy come. That one that will pick from the streets. That Igbo boy, knows a big work. What's his name?
Sally.
Yeah, call him. Alright, so we do our best to create opportunity for young people because we truly understand that, we understand what young men are going through. Imagine a young man having to work day and night so that he can have a quality education. It's a failed system, and what can we do? Our own job is to be a part of the nation building. So is there any way we can render a little bit of assistance for him to move on to the next level? We are going to do it. There's a young man that works here before. He is currently driving one of our go-kart. Mr. Shegun, he was here. You understand? So that's what we do every time, trying to project young people, project our kids. So we don't reach 1,000 viewers.
600.
Bro, how far?
There's many go work.
Yeah, they go work. Okay, that means we'll come back to the story now. We'll come back to tell the story. So if you know reach one K view. So there's a young man that came to our office the other day that was homeless. If you remember him well, he's an Igbo guy. Just want to share a little bit of our work, even for our work, our training ground, our work on our rehabilitation ground. We give people a chance. Come on, this way, man. How are you?
Yeah, fine, sir.
You see what? Oyibo.
Sir?
Oyibo.
Sir?
Kedu?
Adema, sir.
Adema.
Yeah.
I'll give you Kene, man.
Nah, wrong inside. Neck clean inside.
When they clean inside,
Yeah.
I put you to work.
Yes,
All these your baby don't twist like my own. All the risky.
Munga my film game there.
The big man.
Yeah.
Alright, so how did we meet? How did we meet?
Okay, I have been slept on the street like, let me see, like 1 week time. 1 week before I came to this my boss now. I asked for help. He just took me and gave me accommodation, and he had been giving me food.
You came to our office some time ago that you came here to hustle, Benin.
Yeah.
That you came to Benin to hustle, that the person you were hustling with,
Yeah.
dispatch.
Yeah, yes, sir.
And that now left you homeless. You were living on the streets.
Yes, sir.
You came that you wanted to get money to go back to your place.
Yeah.
Is that why you came to our office?
Yeah.
That you needed money, about 7,000 naira,
Yeah.
to go back to your state, which is Abia. Is it Abia?
Yeah, Abia State.
Abia State. I asked you what you can do.
Yeah.
So you can do anything. I saw the sincerity in you. And since that very day, I told them to bring you to this place. And ever since you have been coming to this place, you have a roof. You have a room you guys stay. You have a roof over your head. You are able to eat every day.
Yeah.
And we have also placed you on a salary.
Yeah.
And I also asked you as yesterday said, would you like to continue to work with us, or you want us to give you money to go home? What did you tell me?
I would like to continue here.
Because you are enjoying yourself.
Yeah.
See your mouth. Onye very. All right. So I want you to continue to be a good citizen. So far, your manager have recommended you that you are trying very well. Eh? So just keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
And we'll build our dreams together, okay?
Thank you, sir.
All right, much love, man.
Thank you, sir.
All right, so 1,000 views, then we'll continue. Yeah, we know so so I don't receive more than 1,000 calls. My throat don't dry. Foul. When you look person yash, you don't say you know the leak. But before we tell the story, no, not be mouth. I love you. Do you understand it? Man you be. Do you understand it? Try. How many times have you truly showed it? A big shout out to Amaka, who gave me a college yesterday. A big shout out to my sister Ituan. Blessed Ken, who don't show me love. See, now click here. Tomorrow, before we continue, tomorrow, I want to feel appreciated. I want you to appreciate me for every battle I have fought, for every battle I have won. I want you to appreciate my mother for being a superhero. Because at the end of the day, not every mother will like to see their children being dragged up and down, especially for being kind. She has been very patient. Her name is Patience, for those of you who know my mom. You understand? Not every mother wants to see their children be dragged, but she has been very patient and very encouraging. You understand? Not telling my mom have never told me, my son, please leave this your thing you are doing. No, because she knows that that's my dream. Alright? So before we do that, we are going to start our church early because I'm going to review so many things to you guys today. My boy Larry, I saw you on the video yesterday talking about it, but you did very, very well, and but there are more to it which I am going to reveal. And before I reveal, tomorrow is very simple. I need some of you who love me. Say, man, this body try. Come on, let's be realistic, guys. Let's be realistic. How many young people we have the opportunity that we have we do the kind of work we do? Do you know the headache that you face trying to listen to people's complaint? Don't solve people's complaint, don't solve it. Do you know the headache just trying to listen, okay, waiting happen? Then you not think of how to solve it, then you not raise money to solve it, then you not solve it. Do you know what it means? If I'm being paid 10 million naira every month, is it too small or is it too big? The House of Rep are making 25 million, they are not doing anything. But our work is physical. So even if I make 1 million to enjoy myself, is it not worth it? For the amount of stress we have to go through to see that there's change in our community. It's really, really sad, okay? So, but before we continue, tomorrow we want to have a victory party because we have won. We have won again. You know, last week Wednesday or so, yeah, last 2 weeks Wednesday, I made a post that I was sleeping at night. I barely have nightmare. That was another reason why I know that God is with me. I barely have nightmare. I don't dream about bad things. I dream, I'm a visionary. You understand? I had a dream. A big black bird with iron feather was chasing me. I said it on my Facebook. Go back and look at it. I'm a prophet, man. I'm a modern day prophet. I said it that this bird was I closed my door of car. The bird died. Just few days after that, this is what happened. So we are very, very aware that when enemies trying to catch you or trying to fight you, if they try every miss, they don't succeed, they will be trying other routes. They will be trying other routes when enemies trying to fight with you. If they don't do this way, they do this way, they don't do this way. But anyway, you are going to come in, my brother. If my enemies come in one way, so they shall. May I play that song first? Our father, Chris, have you not met? Huh? But I will make donation today, or may I wait first? We do. In a way, I am two different ways to be with you.
I say when they come on, one way, I will just scatter. I am two different ways. Anyway, they like me, then they come. One way, seven ways. I am two different ways to be everything. Any other like me, then do one way.
No, the test is like, please, boss, take this 100 euro. That's all.
What you talk? No, very down. Well, man,
Carry it down.
Come on,
Say, please, boss, take this 100 dollars or euro
hold on.
to soft your body.
Taste it.
Meritesi.
I don't faint. Next time say bacteria for this chair. I don't faint. Now wake up. Larry.
Sir,
Now wake up.
wake up, I beg.
Now wake up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's Mary. Huh? Yes. Mary Tessie, man. I'm so happy that we got to spend time when we were in Nigeria. You know, people who don't know Genosage will truly see us differently. I don't blame them. But Mary Tessie, she also visited us here in Nigeria at the Diaspora Event Center. Most evenings we hang out here. Genosage is too loving. Genosage have a big heart for you. Genosage want to see you succeed. Genosage want to be there for you. Genosage want to see that if you have a problem, you can lean on me. If I can randomly solve strangers' problem, what do you think I would do to you that I consider my friend? So Mary Tessie, another great person who sees our hearts, want to appreciate you so much. So let's call Blessing. Is Blessing online? Blessing should be taking the diary. Let's see the number of people who truly love me today. Not be saying I love Genosage. Genosage, you are this. Genosage, God bless you. See, the amount of prayers you guys have prayed for me, it will last me for another 100 years. Eh? The amount of prayer on ground already will last another 100 years. So let's focus on enjoying this period, because I'm taking a trip to Europe. I want to go see my family. I can't do it alone. You know, at this stage now, I should not be eating my own money. My people should be taking care of me because I pay my dues. All right? Hello, how are you? It's blessing there because we are going
this
to...
one is fake account.
Yeah.
Monica Leave.
Okay, please guys, do us a favor. We are not here to play. If you want to support, you support. If you don't want to support, you don't have to support. If you have caught Miss Yanni, we are simply going to block you.
Okay.
You know,
This I've not seen this name before.
what's the name?
Onyewe. 100 euro.
Onyeigbo.
Yeah, I think so.
We're going to start fundraising. We're going to show them that we are loved, period. That they can't stop the shine, man. You know, understand? Like our sister with big lips said, man, not talk about it. If my enemy comes in my way. Yeah, so much to talk about. The true story of a victorious Dionosagi. The true story of a victorious Dionosagi. One man and a soldier in a city in the world map. Change is possible. God do exist, believe me. God do exist. I don't know about Jesus.
Okay, Monica Leave. He said I will pay to Dandy.
Monica Leave, okay, Monica Leave.
Look like Dandy knows.
Monica Leave, thank you. I really don't know your face, but if you want to, you can send me a WhatsApp if you wish to. We Talk Naija. We Talk Naija. Thank you, but I don't know if your account is legit.
We Talk Naija.
But I've been seeing them posting a lot, sharing our work.
Yes.
Yeah, We Talk Naija been sharing our work.
Yes.
Okati is a new media platform.
Yeah,
If it's a new media platform, let us know how we can also support you. If you are talking about something positive, okay? If your platform is positive, we're definitely going to help you share your work, help you promote your channel so that your voice can be heard, all right? But we don't believe in so much talks, okay? Okay, so
This one is fake account. Boss, they're asking for the account.
okay, let's
You type it.
okay, let me use my personal account, eh? Yeah. Everywhere for software. We never begin start, oh. They look me, show me like, or show me they look me. You don't say your Ghana Doro. You don't say your Ghana Doro Bushi. Doro. So tomorrow, show me like, come and sit down, my boy, my good boy. You know, now this shirt I give you this.
No, you didn't say that.
Okay. Please, I told you before, I always like your hair to be nice and cut, right? Look at mine. You are trying very well, but your presentation matter, because of the kind of people that come here. Because you are the first person to sit down, you go open gate for them. I want you to look very sharp. I know that anytime you need something, just let me know. Okay? And we are going to have an event tomorrow. You say there's some things that you want to go through before, but I can't win them. You understand? So we're going to have an event tomorrow, and what you do for me is you will key RAM. You don't do the door before, you let me coordinate. You will key RAM, everywhere will soft. So Larry will call the DJ to make it happen. Okay? Alright, how are you, Jerry Brown?
Boss, type it.
Once again, congratulations. Chief! Dadu!
You shake me.
No,
You want to shake me like a friend?
No, I forgot. Now you are a chief. Chief, Dadu!
How are you?
You know, I want to see the Oba. Through you now, I can see the Oba with it.
Of course.
Yeah, I know you can do that.
Of course.
Or you cannot do that.
Why not? Why not? Because you can do that. But before you can see the Oba, I have to make sure that your intentions are genuine.
Yeah.
I cannot just take
I am not a prince. I am not a chief.
Yeah. You can't do that, yeah.
I am not a prince. I am not a chief. I'm not feel good. No, I'm for palace now.
Alright, so please, tomorrow we are having a victory party because I think that we definitely need to enjoy ourselves. Invite your friend, invite your family. Bros, you'll be in charge of the ram. Next one. Then you buy me 2 pigeons. Buy me 2 white pigeons. So I can release it to the gods. Because sacrifice, my brother. Now your heart, you take create them. I believe that pigeons are pure.
Yeah.
It's my own way of sacrificing to God. So we're going to release 2 pigeons to the air tomorrow to say, God, thank you for always vindicating us. So now, okay, the account number, sorry.
Yes, sir.
So let's make plan now. We will see better one for 40 now. Okay. Now film happened yesterday, guys. Now film,
Better ground.
I'll talk, but they need to give me money first, all my people. Before I talk anything, no, because the way all of you now, see, God, my God, God of Dionosagi, God that has been for Dionosagi, God that has put all our enemies to shame. Please bless every person who have a good intention towards me. When I feel their pain, when they talk to me, Dion, what is this again? What have you done to them? Dion, I feel you, man. I feel you. I can leave everything we are doing now. I have nothing to lose. This establishment alone is enough to feed me. This establishment alone, this is enough to feed me. A young man with such an establishment in Nigeria, you're not supposed to suffer. Of course. Bad as it bad, you can make an average of 500,000 naira every month. Bad as it bad, on a bad month, you can make a profit of 500,000. So that alone is enough for me to sustain. But that's not our goal. Our goal is to see how people can suffer less, how we can see more smiles that we can create. You understand? So that's what the matter be, guys. Let me, Larry.
So,
okay, you know, you even say, okay, don't worry. Let me see. That's Mr. Larry. If my enemies come me one way, what are you doing? So what's up, man? Your family? What about that level now? Everything go.
Oh yeah, don't send me down. I'll get back. But there is hope. By the grace of God.
That's all we need, brother. Okay, so let me pin my account number first. Okay, let's use First Bank. Current account of Osaro Dionosagi. Let's see how many people truly love Dionosagi. Now we see Dionosagi, that boy is trying. Ah man, yes, we did try. But show it in kindness. You know, we show our work in action. I don't want the year say, yes, we don't show the try, but you don't have 500 naira. Say, take buy water, I need them, I want to collect them. You understand? So, yes, so.
Brother, sister, do something.
Alright, First Bank. Now they with their light. Go bring my phone, my last phone. I they come back. What's this guy's name? Paul. Let me come. Maybe my small phone. Now they say how many people they send me money. First Bank.
Paul.
First Bank. Osaro Dionosagi. Pin it there.
yeah, sir.
Pin it there. Let's see how many people. Yeah, let's see how many people truly love us. Okay. You know, and know that a good amount of people love us. I want to say thank you to all our committed God-sent family member, who have been there for years. Not too much. No, too don't. No, the case where we don't solve for those states. No, the case. Even black people. 98% of the people in the palace love our work. Kudos. 98% of the people in the palace love our work. But some persons felt that they could use their so-called power to oppress us. No now, come on, don't do that. So that's my account number there.
He said they said I will send thank you.
Who?
He's Eddie.
Yeah. Hey, he is my sister. Thank you so much. He's my lovely sister. I saw your write-up. Thank you. Where is Blessing? Blessing should be taking note of all that. Let me call Blessing. because me want to dey know say we want to do victory party. Go bring my phone, man.
Which one?
The door is open, they are cleaning it. The phone is there, go and get it. So we are taking today off as a relaxation day. Then tomorrow we are going to hit the streets with random acts of kindness. Some of the money you are going to give to me today, we are still going to bust it on the streets. Tomorrow we are projecting to spend 100,000 for women with heavy load on their head and a baby on their back. That's our tomorrow program. All right. So we want to effect some more changes on the streets. We're going to impact women with heavy load on their head and a baby on their back. We're going to do a random act of kindness. We're going to do it live. So some of the accolades you are giving me today will also go towards our random act of kindness for tomorrow. So if you are making any support to us for our victory party tomorrow, for accolades for Jolosage to get a new t-shirt, a new watch, a new shoe, I deserve it. A big shout out to our sister from New Jersey who brought 2 luggage for us yesterday. 2 luggage of clothes was brought to us yesterday from New Jersey. So I want to say thank you so much for that. We're going to post those pictures soon.
Omoyi Gloria, 20K.
Gloria.
Omoyi.
Hey, Glow. That's my Aruba. Glow. I can't wait to see you guys. All my Gossen family in Spain.
So they said if I don't say this, they will beat me.
Huh?
Way Forward Group.
Yeah.
They say they need blood tonic. Say some people sick for your matter
No,
yesterday.
that's the thing. Now that one they pay me pass. If they pay me say I dey cause my people so much pain. Honestly, guys, I feel so much for you guys, especially Mama Jemina in UK. When there's issues like this, she's so worried. She's calling. You know, all you guys at this work are here. Thank you. You got another my stuff. Come here.
Bridges of Pika, thank you. Etienne Sas, 2K.
Hey! So, they go first, see, my friend, listen to people who want to support me. You know, money they collect from my hand. Okay, so, I have a call from Boston. Hello? I greet you. I said, yeah, I know. I greet you, sis.
Where do you think I go?
Yeah. I don't hear what you talk. Hey, sis. Shop am. Come, sis. Now no say now join the problem where they get for this country. Now join the problem. Now I use love kill me. They look at that, they call it follow me fire because they not to love me. Eh? Now I use love. Now yeah. Of course. Yes, yeah, when they go low, we go high. Yeah, I appreciate you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, we are already doing that now. Yeah, I appreciate it. It's too obvious now. Yeah, it's too obvious. May they come. We ready for everything. We are ready. Yes now. EFCC, FBI, AIG, Palace. What did you make again? I beg. Yeah. I don't ready for everything. I plan ahead now because our work attract hate. Yeah, madam. Oh, I agree to you, appreciate. Yeah, that sister go slow 20,000 naira.
I'm on say white.
Hey, I'm on.
Thank you.
I want to say thank you. Oh, they get on. That's so. Confirm. Hey, the first alert is my man that promised me 2K. That is confirmed.
2K.
Yeah.
Etienne Sas.
Yeah, nice one, man.
Princess Osage, 20K for me.
Princess. May I shake hands for you? Hold on. May I do my bad? Princess. Well, me for trust Princess, yeah. You know, Princess played a major role. Princess Osage played a major role. There's a young man that is there in the palace who also greatly supports our work. We don't like to mention his name. He's in the palace. He's affiliated to Princess. Great guy. I really appreciate him. I love him so much. Everybody in the palace are great people, man. there's no bad person in the palace, except that, you know, in every organization or every kingdom or government, there's a cartel. You know, but the cartel is very, very small. The cartel is very, very small. So we are still collecting our osusu before we proceed.
Omoken, thank you.
Omoken, thank you. Omoken, go bring people and better for me. Hello? I greet you. Good afternoon, my sister. Responsibility. Not they call her child again, mama. Responsibility, mama. 20,000. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. These are my people. My people. When I call, my people answer me. Yes. We'll go back around, man. Tomorrow is gonna be fun. Yeah. Those young men that I promise I will promote, the dancers, Larry, we will call them tomorrow.
Okay, so
live. Yeah, come and perform live. And let's call DJ Kelvin. So, you know, if let's say get some kind of song where all those people they like, oh, I be now okay. So you call DJ Kelvin to light up the CD. Bro, you call me the electrician. This light on the wall, I want them to fix it. Okay, I think I'll just call him now. This light on the wall, it needs to be fixed. So tomorrow's gonna be fun, man. I'm gonna bring you guys live fun tomorrow. Hello? Meritesi. You say what you have? Hold on, you say what you happen? You say what you happen? Oh, another 50 euro, another 50 euro again. Oh my God.
Then I say I thank you, I don't faint.
You don't faint.
Then I say I don't faint, don't too much.
You don't faint. You don't faint.
Don't faint.
It's too much, oh my sister. Yeah. I love you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Alright. That's Meritesi. Alright. Meritesi. That time, never forget. The money plenty, oh. Yeah. Plus 50 euro. Go slow. 20K.
Princess
18, 10, 2K.
2K. Paid already.
Yeah. Princess
Osage,
JJ. 10K. Princess Osage or Princess JJ?
No, Princess Osage.
Okay, Princess Osage. Now you told us about JJ.
No, Princess Osage. Thank you. Omoken.
Omoken.
Thank you.
Who promised 50K before? Have you done a fake account?
No, it's fake.
Huh? Okay, you scroll down later.
Okay, sir.
Huh? So I have their name. Okay, so now we have. Okay, we have not even started now. We have about 600 persons there.
Amanda Bell. 100 euro.
Amanda. Hello? I greet you. Okay, I get your voice, no wala. Bad guy. You too much. Yeah. So thank you. Okay.
Testimony on most refi. Thank you.
Testimony. Thank you. Okay. Appreciate you. Load it. Why you look like that? You also be come. You also be Taraba boy. Eh? Don't come put bomb for you. But come first, come. Sit down for here. Oshomole.
I don't know this account.
What is his name?
Jesus. No, Jesus Stingway. Jesus is the way. Okay. He had everything to
Jesus has to be the way because now he saved me
50K.
Eh? No, hold on. No, because for you to have Jesus is the way means that he's an honest man. So let me go and check the account first, Larry. Let me check the account first. Because if now
Jesus. So Jesus is the separate. Then way, the surname. That Jesus is the way.
Hello, Dianosage.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello? Can you hear me? You seen it? Okay. Jesus is the way. Not be scam or forget to. Your boss will run them more. For somebody to say Jesus is the way. This account is the old account now. You're advertising products. You cannot be. Now I heard that they sell they make money. Okay, so let's put it there. Jesus is the way, 50K. Let's hope. Alright?
Unbreakable Precious. Thank you.
Unbreakable baby.
Thank you.
Unbreakable. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll enjoy, I beg. Tomorrow we'll die. Hey.
Oz Omo.
Oz?
Oz Omo. Thank you.
Oz Mercy. Oz Omo.
Yeah.
Just Oz Omo.
Yeah, Oz Omo.
Ah, our Oz Ode Belgium. This one.
Yes.
Ikbia. Bros, I beg, no verse. Oz. See us. No, see on. I dream me will be see us. Eh? Our picture there everywhere. See Oz. You know that shoe you buy for me that time when I come Italy. I love that shoe well. Glad you know my style. I beg him. If I come Europe again, you know, say you get some kind of shirt where you wear, bros. With stones, they all those kind of black. I beg. Not believe once I be wear those design. Package them. Wait for me. I beg. Eh? Because by now, this stage with the day, I'm not supposed to buy anything again. Yes. I'm not supposed to buy anything. Everything supposed to be my friends, not to they try. But this period I never try. You understand? So package shoes, package everything, fresh. Eh? And they come Europe on the 7th. I'm gonna be in London, Edo Festivals and Award, JJ Berry events. A lot of persons are coming from all over. My man Osamende in Dublin, who's our director of God Sent Foundation, is gonna come. We have our sister from Oduware coming from Belgium. We have Osawaro coming from Leeds. So many persons are coming to the event. So I spoke to JJ Berry this morning. We are going to try to locate an hotel, which we are already doing. See, I wake up, they walk. I don't get time for hate. So we are trying to locate an hotel very close to the event center where we can all stay. I think it's going to be fun. Okay, so let's continue.
Somebody just remember me. Said Susie said 4 to 5 bags of rice.
4 to 5?
Yeah, Susie.
Damn, Susie, what the Facebook?
Yes.
What the hell is all of them do?
4 to 5 bags of rice.
Susie, you know, I always see that post then. I pull out. I know we use love keep me.
Yeah, Omoyi Gloria. Thank you. Omoyi Gloria.
Give me €1 for the euro. Yes. This Susie. But these are cool that our drinks are at the diaspora. Look at it.
Swagger. Indomie swagger.
Excuse me, Osas. You get up under my staff. Now I see your young boys why they train. Huh? How old are you?
24 years old.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Huh? You're a very loyal boy.
Thank you, sir.
Huh? It's good. Alright, so when you give customer a drink, you always do your best to first ask if they need to open it, okay? And I always ask if they need a glass. In this case, I need a glass, okay? I'm proud of you, okay? Alright. So is this Susie?
Yeah, Susie, yeah.
It's washed?
Yes, sir.
4 to 5 bags of rice, Susie. Let me say, we will use something to do God's kitchen now. Eh? So we'll do God's kitchen. Susie. Man, I wish I feeling that for you. I know I will fold it down because no will reach me do. You understand? That our brother why I need down for people they say why I won't need down for that our brother. I need that because our brother make me believe saying our prince. But me as a loyal son, I must honor my king and my prince and my princesses.
Your kingdom.
Of course. So if anybody is my king, somebody tell me I'm the prince, of course. I'm always going to be loyal and honest, humble to you. So, but we'll reach that matter first. But move fair, collect the money. Susie, thank you.
Jeez, David.
Hold on, Susie. 4 to 5 bag of rice, okay?
Jeez, David.
Jeans.
Jeez.
Spell it.
J-E-S-S.
J-E. Okay, Jeez David, so I know. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, okay. I received an alert now. Jeez Davis. I received an alert of 20K from Messi. Oh, really? Did Precious make any attempt there? Today is Precious' birthday, by the way.
Precious Francis.
Yeah. Where is the designer asked Steve to design? Has he done it?
I don't know, sir.
But I told him to design something for Precious. Precious is a very, very big partner of ours. A woman who single-handedly bought a tricycle for a woman who had been suffering for more than 7 years. A woman came to our office. She could not move around. Her leg is like this. All she needed was a tricycle. Look at when she came back the other day. Recently, the same Precious Francis sent money for also helping another young lady, but they did not come on time. But we are still going to activate that dream once we are cleared with all our bills, you know. We have some money.
Two balance. Thank you.
Okay. Two balance, man. Bro, hello. What's that? Let me have my beer.
Two balance.
Euro for the Euros.
Thank you. Idia Brown.
Oh, please tell everybody that I drink beer. Okay, now that one, tell everybody that I drink beer.
Idia Brown, thank you.
Oh, Idia, much love, man. Idia Brown. Thank you. I feel it for you to look on, sir. Okay, what's next?
Untouchable Codeine.
Yeah, I know her.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Untouchable, thank you. I mean, I know that tomorrow we want to use all these phones.
I don't know whether this.
Untouchable Codeine.
No, this other one. Josie.
Untouchable Codeine. I did that video.
Yes.
I don't know.
This one.
Just tell us their names. Who want to give? They don't want to give me the rest.
Joyce 40K.
Justice.
Joyce Joyce Igiede Agiede 40K.
Agbonya wimina sagomena. Man throat and see. God send family. If you see the cause why I don't receive it, the way people think they are happy for the victory.
Okay, boss. Susie said the fallback is from Kenrado 1 of Belgium.
Kenrado?
Yeah, Kencorado. Kencorado 1
I'm not too familiar
of
with that name
Belgium.
Anyway.
Said the fallback of Friday.
Okay, I appreciate, but I'll follow up with you. Susie, please, have my number.
Okay.
Send me a WhatsApp.
Omori Gloria said 20K.
Omori Gloria, she said so before. I know,
yeah, but no, you know right. Okay. I said right. Yeah. Omori Gloria, 20K.
Yeah.
20,000.
Rating. Yeah. Excuse me. Help me with a glass cover. Okay. Let's calculate how much we have. If this is going to be enough for our event.
Yeah. Edosa FA 40K.
Edos man. Not be Edos with Texas.
Edosa FA
40K.
40K.
I appreciate. See, if person they do what you not fit do, all you can do is to appreciate him. Real talk. If somebody is doing what you can do, the best thing you can do is to appreciate him. And the way of appreciating people these days, not because they tell me say, God will bless you for what you are doing. This will bless you. Yes, we understand that. We already know that our work is already blessed. God must surely bless us. But the way to appreciate people like us, show me some love, man. Yes, we will try on our own. No, don't get it wrong.
Boss, Mary Tessie said you should check your WhatsApp. That she will send you 150 euro.
I don't get up again.
You don't really? No.
Tessie, I need. Oh my God! Now why you kill these people? Now why you kill them finish? Please, oh, if some people get hypertension today, see, you don't enter. You don't enter. You don't enter. From Osifo Philomena. Osifo Philomena, thank you. I appreciate you. Osifo Philomena, thank you.
Okay, but Susie said is close. Say 4 to 5 bags of clothes.
Okay, clothes. I'm
Yes.
going to say rice.
Susie.
Okay, yes, thank you.
Say 4 to 5 bags of clothes.
Okay, clothes. Oh, you like this one? Oh, so. Yeah, all the way, man. Call you. Okay, so I think
Moses Saki.
Moses.
Thank you.
Moses. Psyche. Spell.
Saiki.
Oh, Psyche, yeah.
Thank you.
I know him. My followers too many now. So please, like I was saying, if you are just joining in, tomorrow we are having a victory party to celebrate all the fights. We don't fight Mrs. because this one could be the highest. For a young man who has left his comfort zone in America to say, you know what, I want to make an impact. I want to make a difference. I want to be a part of the change, risking everything.
Boss, almost said someone said 500 euros, but I can't see the person name.
Hello? I greet you, bro. I don't see him.
Please, almost please, if
I don't
give
see,
me
I
the
don't see
person's
you too
name.
much. Yeah, I know your number. I know your account. You too much. I really appreciate you, bros.
Precious Francis.
I greet you, bros. Amen, brother. You too much. Hello. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. God bless you for the kind words, man. Yeah, we'll relate later now. Control, yeah.
Precious Francis, 20K.
Today will be Precious birthday again. Precious. Okay, my write down because I'm also. Now let me want to chop your money.
I don't know whether this account is real.
What is it?
Frank Lawrence, 100K.
It's possible. Why is it not? You are saying it's done. Is real. Are you mad?
I've not seen this.
Are you saying that
before?
I'm too small to receive 100K? Say,
No,
I
sir.
This account is real.
No.
You don't know your boss. Hello? Yes, I'll control you later. No rob mine. Yeah. In the evening. One love. And so look at your boy. He's saying somebody put 100K, say he don't see the account is real. My work where they do not pass 1 million. If somebody dash me 1 million, I'm going to influence now batting.
No, sir.
What's the name in the account?
Frank.
Precious.
Lawrence.
Frank.
Lawrence.
Law.
The rings.
Law rings. Okay. 100K.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check the accounts.
Hilary Enogiama. Thank you.
Bring this one up, fool. Hurry. Yoshomole. Yeah, boy. You know, say tomorrow now, everybody will smile on the street. So what we'll do tomorrow, we'll go to the office while they are preparing our party. We'll go to the streets. Let's see if we can target 10 women who have a baby on their back. We can dash them some money to take a day off, one rest. So that we're going to do random act of kindness tomorrow with some of this money that we are receiving now. Thank you, sir. Okay, what was the last thing you said to me?
Hilary.
Yeah.
In Nogiama. Thank you.
Nogiama. Thank you, bro. Thank you. So for those of you that they join, like I talked before the program starts, this money now the money we want to enjoy. Alright? Because we believe say we don't work enough. Look at my staffs, guys. Look at what they do every day. Running around trying to solve problems. At least let me treat them. Let tomorrow and after they enjoy, I say take the rest of the weekend off. They deserve it. If possible, maybe if we have enough funds, I can even take them to Lagos with me. So I'm going to enjoy the beach. But Larry will stay back because Larry has been to Lagos 2 times within this year. I took Larry to Lagos for the first time by myself. All this, you know that Gladys don't go Lagos for.
Gladys, I'm not sure.
So we'll take you guys to the beach. You know, spend 2 nights in Lagos if you are able to collect good fun because we deserve that. We believe that we deserve to be happy, especially with this victory. We will take shame them. We will tell them the story soon. True story of what happened. And if you choose to believe any of that story, and that's your choice. After we give now the breakdown, as everything happen a lot. Yeah, maybe they're jealous. Yeah, I receive it. Responsibility. Come. Responsibility, child. Don't give me a lot.
Blessing best. Blessing best. 250,000 in 30 minutes.
Blessing best. No, right time. No, I don't need that. I don't need that, my God. After what you God do yesterday, see, I believe that a day will come. We'll be sleeping at home. When we wake up, we're going to have hundreds of billions of naira in God's foundation accounts, because there's somebody somewhere. Do you know what? I may not go that side. I may not go back. I'm going to talk. Do you know that there are people who have been blocking us in the palace? There are people, we got to find out yesterday that there are people who have been blocking our work in the palace. When you write letters there, because we have written to twice or three times to the palace without a response. They received the letter without a response. So I did not know that some persons were under it. We will discuss that. Give me that blessing, best.
Igwe.
Give me that blessing, bless Facebook.
Blessing best.
Use your phone to the checker now.
My phone there inside.
Blessing.
Blessing best. Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. Anybody can make a comment, but the ability to redeem their pledge is what matters in this case. But please, don't pledge what we cannot give out, right? Because tomorrow we are going to help many people. If we don't have the resources, we are not going to be able to do it. So I think we will have enough by now. Let's invest. I did receive on that one. You see how much? 500, 250 euro.
Yeah, no, 250,000 naira.
250k naira. I appreciate. 30 minutes.
Vivian Igminosa Obaretin.
Vivian.
I will send 10k tomorrow.
10k. Vivian Obaretin.
Igminosa Obaretin.
10k.
Tomorrow. President said it again. Say, please check your account in 30 minutes time. 250,000.
If you enter, not believe that offense. I will see.
Naira done in 30 minutes time.
That's me we sabi.
Blessing
me we get swag. I beg, send me WhatsApp. No, they relate. Now people like now want to visit. At least they help me for one hotel. Like my friend from Barcelona, he called me today. I even call himself. I'm coming to Barcelona, man. They give me one apartment. Yes, now. Who they work in the shop now? Ebo. They say don't put me for problem. They say that you can't even go inside palace. They don't put me for problem.
They see how you
they see everything.
Okay. Oz almost said I just sent my 10k now.
How far now? That's the Akoda.
He said, have you seen it?
That's the Enogiao. You know, good like Chief. When I boss here, Chief, I talk for him.
What's that do?
Yeah.
He said he has sent his 10k already.
Okay.
Oz almost.
Okay, you never enter. We are raising funds for our tomorrow event.
Yes, sir.
So we need to enjoy.
We'll do all.
So you guys, you tell the other guys. Okay, for those of you who don't already know, this is Akoda. We have been working together for the past 2 years now. Akoda is a graduate from the University of Benin. When the man also, no job. The man also, no job. That the man very man. But really though, Akoda has been doing a good job. I'm very proud of you. Give me 5. That's why I say our official card, they use how they carry babes sometimes. Akoda they use our official card, they carry babes. You know, say Sakura. For night, they move like this. 6 of this. One day I catch Akoda for one area. He said, boss, I use that to car. I said, that's it. Which car? Man, go and enjoy, man. It's a free world, bro. It's a free world. I think that when my kids grow up, at a very early age, I'm going to teach them a lot about women. Yeah, how to have sex, how to hold breasts, how to suck the nipples. It's very important. Because many, no, it's true. Sex education at a very early age is good. It's fair. It's very fair. It makes you understand so much. Some family would prepare and say, my pikin never grew rich, maybe very 21 before. No, it's wrong. By the time they reach that age, if they go start, you will run. No? So my small boy now, Junior Dion, by the grace of God, where everything don't work out, I'll teach him. If he don't reach that guy 14, 15, I'll teach him how to rub, how to kiss nipple and all those things. But a lot of they take lessons now. Love daughter, we don't get beef. All right, so let's go further. It's a fundraising for our party tomorrow. We are going to bring lightning here. It's going to be a live show, live. The whole day to our program now. We'll light up everywhere with lights, and it's going to be fun. I'm going to call an electrician to come and do these lights. Electrician. Where's this boy? This boy, TV.
Nino Brown.
Hey, Nino.
15,000.
Nino. Me and you don't make up. I don't believe. Nino. No. See, I'll tell you guys a story. Hold on. How far now, bros? Come on. How's the family, sir? Sir, please. We are me boy. Say the men of the I want to when I want to connect to pass you wallet diaspora there on no actually or disconnect. So either the fuse game or maybe some of the wire bond and then normal or right here and there's some lightning outside. I want to light up the streets. Una me boy now. But what you do? We are going to Masabi. Okay, very early now because now see when we were before 8 minutes. All right, come on.
Nino Brown.
Nino. No, Nino. So, yes, it. There's an American guy named Nino Brown. I follow him on Facebook because he's very, very inspiring. I have an American friend. His name is Nino Brown. So, I can't make posts for Facebook. I contact my friend. This is my friend, Nino Brown. Because now the post where that guy posts, where I see, now I post. But this Nino Brown can't say, nah, yeah, you can't call his sister say, why John you talk like this now? John make this kind of post about me. Not knowing that there was another Nino Brown that made the code that I was just referring to. My brother, now God will bless you, man. Now God will bless you, man. Now God will bless you. Nino Brown, 50K. Now God will bless
15.
You, man. 15, I talk.
15.
How you saying Nino Brown will give me 15K? Nino Brown? No, now. Nino Brown, not vest. You be big boy now. I know you well. You know if you give me 15K, now the first time when they give me money, I don't fit take the 15K, no vest. Everything deal with you now, boss. But I don't already write the 50 down. So you know, I know if you change down. So if you put the 15, they'll remain 35. Then for the future, if you give that about 2020 donation. Yeah? But you know, boss now. If you dash me €100, you know if you use €200, buy me champagne, I can't see for the EU. I don't forget which country my bro say. Because my sister now messaged me, sister from UK. She was formerly in Canada. That messaged me. Nino, I know if you take 50K from you because I know so you get money. Do one for me. Should be well, man. Yeah. See all these guys who had to take care of. It's easy. Hello? Hello, how are you? I was calling you, you're just calling me back. But our office is not open today now. But it's okay, no problem. Don't worry about it. Yeah. I wanted you to help me take note of our donation. A lot of people are showing me love online. So, but I'm doing it myself. Now, I know tomorrow we have our victory party. Tell Steve to design a poster. The Onosage, this is it. The Onosage victory party introducing Chief Ado Dance Club. We call those dancers to be ready for tomorrow's event. All right. Then we're gonna have suya and maybe a little bit of pepper rice, you know, and buy a lot of drinks. We're gonna be crazy, man. Invite your friends. Yeah, man. Tell Steve to get ready the camera. It's gonna be light camera action. Yeah, man.
Moses Saki said, "Can you please confirm my 10K?
Okay.
I have sent it."
Let's see.
Moses Saki.
So God sent or?
Don't know, sir.
I received 10K at God Sent Foundation. Maybe that's where we sent it.
Angel Favor. I support with 200K. You will get it in 30 minutes time.
You don't fair to.
Angel Favor.
You don't fair. You don't fair. You don't. Chief not the fair.
You say what? Chief not the
Chief not the vent though.
Chief not the vent. Me don't vent. Me don't vent. Say chief not the vent. Somebody dash me 200k. So I don't vent.
200k.
Another person vent on behalf of chief.
Huh? Me not vent. Angel what?
Angel Favor.
I bet say that this you know. That name. Those are all those guys people need to follow.
Then Nico Brown said okay.
Nino Brown?
Yeah,
Nino
Nino
must
Brown.
say okay now. Nino Brown, man. To for you, Nino Brown a big boy and a gentleman. Look at picture. They do like all those fine American boys. Now, you know be American boy, you be Niger boy. They find, they clean up, they wear fine suits. Niger boy, the package. I better give me a walk around small. Give me a wait for one break. What's someone like that? Enjoy the show? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So let's do this for another 3 minutes. Then we'll go straight to the real story. The story of how I was trying to be humiliated and God turned it around.
God, please.
That is the people now, Leah account. Now follow us.
Yeah, I think so.
Check on.
I see a comment once in a while.
You see a comment once in a while?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, say, funny enough, we get people who support us for the secret followers, so they
Fake
comment.
accounts.
They only say one thing. They only watch. Matter of fact, the people who they support us secretly, many pass the one way they support us openly. You get one woman where you call me. The woman say, that they see everything what they do. See, man, no. You see, man, not stop. See, because the time don't near. Of course, we have paid our dues, man.
This one down.
You see him?
Yeah.
No.
Well, there's no picture.
There's no picture, okay. Let's have hope. God did. You understand?
I showed now real account.
Yeah, God did. God, now I believe. See, yesterday, my people, I be there for yesterday night. I put on my Facebook, I say, Baba God, show me your muscle if you be Baba God. I say, Baba God, if waiting I dey do na your will, show me your muscle. I tell Baba God. Now I move with full faith, with full belief. Say, man, table must turn. Now we now, let me go dey run am. Now we dey run am. Now not see what happen for Torino. Now not see what happen for Torino. God is with us. Where our brother Eddie Murphy call us all sort of names. 24 hours later, the brother come follow us, the jolly. That is God. That is how God works. Our brother Eddie Murphy, who was initiated by Igion and Omede. They were initiated, giving wrong information. But I always said that I cannot blame Eddie Murphy because I came to realize the kind of man he is. Alright? He's a man who cannot think or look at the other side unless you show him. Eddie Murphy is a very good person. Please, I repeat, never you see Eddie as a bad person because he's not. Eddie is a good person. He's just a man who do not see the other side of things before he approach. He has good intention. Omede and the Gion spoil this guy's mind. Say, man, oh, you're buying here, oh, you're buying here, oh, you're buying, oh, you're buying. It was a big deal. A lot of persons did not want to come to our event in Torino because of this issue. A young man who traveled around the world, preaching the spirit of Akugbe to our people, flying tirelessly by road, by train, by bus, for one common good, to make Edo great. A young man who have renovated a school that was left abandoned by those who are giving money to fix the school, renovated in 10 days. A young man who have created an initiative that treated a woman with sore for 7 years, solved in about 3 months. A young man who who feed the people, created an initiative that feed people every Saturday. Or you want to talk about the lady that was blind for almost a year, that all she needed was a cataract surgery. You want to talk about Samu Diame, who is the orphan now in Word of Faith. You want to talk about Precious with a broken arm that will fix her arm. Now she owns a small beauty shop or fashion shop. How many you feel can't? Or you want to talk about the family that was living homeless, I built a house for Inuwelu? Or the numerous women we have on our stipends, the small business entrepreneurs we have created? How can this individual be an enemy to a kingdom that he projects? It's impossible. Anybody with sense will understand that, but again, common sense is not common. We don't expect everybody to understand things this way. But not everybody is stupid. Some people can think. At this time, if you still believe what people say about Genocide, obviously you are as stupid as them. It's a fact. By now, after 2017, with all the rumors, all the lies, all the allegations, all the insults, look at our stupid friend or stupid brother who call himself Bush Lion, somebody that is supposed to be my brother. What more can happen to Genocide that I will not be wise? What more? God has taught me a very good lesson. God has taught me a very good lesson. Somebody that is calling himself my brother, my cousin, Bush Lion or whatever he call himself, went online. I don't know where they got a criminal record from. They posted it, said I took a gun and all that. And one stupid boy, what you call myself my brother. Now I'll flog you, Bush Lion, flog. I will flog you. You know, in a family meeting. Alright? So these people fabricated the story that I went to rob this and that he and the other short dwarf in the short dwarf, what's his name? The midget, Eranamigo. They said I was wanted. You understand? Come. Even you said, come here. Even you said, Eranamigo, I don't know you and Eranamigo to stand here. Come here. No, you turn now. You not tall man now. No, now you turn now. Yeah, now you the man. You know, some people do it up as. Eh? So, these people fabricated the story to the general public, the formation of character that I was wanted. But the next week, when I went to America, I went to print out my criminal record from the Court of Justice that shows my criminal record from 1976 till date. No record. It takes the grace of God for any young person to be growing up in America and not be in crime. We should stop dwelling on people's past and look at where they are going. A ham robber of yesterday can be a pastor today. That's good. Have you? I have cough because of dust, generator fluids. A arm robber of yesterday can be a pastor today. A pastor of today can be the arm robber of tomorrow. So we cannot dwell on people's past, but looking into their future. So for my brother, Eddie Murphy, I don't think you're a bad person, but I think that you should stop letting people influencing you in a negative way. And by the way, the Odionwe Owe, which is the #1 man of the Omada with the Oba of Benin, has said that he himself do not have the right to call anybody an Orionba. So when you guys go on social media, anybody Orionba no, not, please stop. You are not only making this kingdom ashamed, you are making every one of us ashamed. Anybody Orionba. Anyway, the donation never stop. We'll continue the story from
Nino Brown said from Japan.
Japanese man, yeah, I know. Nino Brown. I've not been to many cities in Japan, but I've been to Japan. I was in Tokyo for the optical conference about 6 years ago. Many years ago, I was involved in a business called Heritage Eye Care, okay, whereby we go buy eye care equipment from foreign countries like China, Korea, and Japan. So I was in Japan for their optical conference. I was in Tokyo. I stayed at the Hilton in Tokyo Tokyo is one of the very, very most beautiful cities I have been in. I don't speak a lot of Japan, but I know how to say Konnichiwa. 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 Japanese will say Konnichiwa. Say, you get one place where I go for Japan, whenever I shop frog. Alright. This one, the frog full everywhere. If you leave the supermarket, the frog open myself, I know it's one thing, you know. So my people, I was saying, I'm saying that our brother Eddie Murphy is not a bad person at all, but I just think that he has a misunderstanding of people. You know, everybody don't have the same method thinking, right? Eddie Murphy has a trust issue. Eddie Murphy trusts people easily. That's his problem. So I've already analyzed him that Eddie is not a bad people. Many of you just send me a message, stay away from Eddie Murphy. He's not a bad. He's a bad person. But that's not my attitude. Stay away from this. He's not a bad. No, we give people a chance to prove themselves wrong. So Eddie, I want you to deviate from those people. They really wanted you to become an enemy. That's their plan for you. All right. So we'll take more donations now. All right. So Larry, you tell them what we are trying to do. Let me relax. Let's see how many alert we get from your voice. Not see your voice sing. Or you sing for me from the back. Not see your face. As I'm drinking my hero. All these flies. One follow us drink beer.
English.
Anyone, bro. You don't feel like singing?
My throat is...
You're not in the mood. As a soldier, you always have to be ready, even at your worst condition. Sing for me, man.
What a marvelous God. What a marvelous God. He has done marvelous things for me.
He has done me. I'm drinking hero.
What a marvelous God. What a wonderful. He used to do marvelous things for me. What a marvelous God. What a marvelous God. He has done marvelous things for me. What a marvelous God. What a marvelous God. He used to do marvelous things for me.
Father, I pray with you. For as many of you that is watching this, to be a pastor now easy thing. Pastor na conscience. Pastor na conscience. So let's continue to our fundraising. Hello? Hello? Yeah, by yourself, come on. I've not been around now. You see everything that has been happening. I don't like people that is so impatient. I've not been around. We have to treat each other fair. I'm not around. I've been away. I just came in 3 days ago and you saw the issue that was happening, Epa. Yeah? Yes, sir. A problem error, Epa. A problem error.
So, seeing you about today. There's only one that I need to drink.
No, I don't do that. I don't do that. That's my attitude. If I'm eating, everybody else is eating. If I'm drinking, let's see up here. If anything I'm doing, if you are around me, you will know my attitude. I cannot do anything alone. If I'm drinking water, everybody needs to drink water. Madam, come. I'll cook. You can form shy. You see your smile, I understand. I'll smile, I'll be smiley. How are you?
Fine.
Capture her. Say hi.
Hi.
See hi. Where are you from?
From Akokoedo.
Akokoedo, alright. You can take the camera, she's very shy. Don't worry, carry the camera away from her. Alright, so tomorrow we're having an event. We're having a party in the evening. we are going. You have to give me a list. You want to make. Blessing will join you and some of my other staff. I think we should make jollof rice now. What do you think?
Yeah,
Jollof, have you?
Yes.
Okay, let's make some jollof rice with turkey meat. Then, not with too much, it's going to be a party of about 100 persons. Then we'll have like a pomon sauce, right?
Yeah.
Pomon sauce for. Alright, so do that. We are raising money for the party now. Let's see how much we raise more. Well done, I'm proud of you, man. But you made the wrong decision anyway. I told you before. I offered you good amount. Let me be the one providing you all these things for you to be cooking. I think this one is more hard for you. Or is more money? What do you think? If I say this one will make money for you. Because for her not to accept my offer, the offer was too good not to wow, I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, so that's our kitchen lady. Diaspora kitchen. We are open 24 hours. We specialize on black soup. Black soup. She's from Akoko Edo, so she rented the kitchen from us. You know, every day she paid a little bit of money. You know, so that's it. Alright, so going further, we are going to take more donations. We're having a party tomorrow. If you know you can support in any way. How many viewers do we have, Larry?
746.
746 now. Tataful. Now, like when it's time to go to God's Foundation to raise money now, we know now only 107 people will see. Okay, so let's donate. We cut the video till further notice. Have you heard salary? Because you already said most of the things that happened yesterday anyway. But a lot of people will still like to hear from me,
yes, sir,
as their mouthpiece, especially God's and family around the world. So please make a donation now. Alright, Susie is there. She want to bring 4 to 5 bags of clothes, right?
Yes, sir.
Jess Davis 10k, 2 Balance 10k, Idia Brown 10k, KD 10k, Joyce Igede 40k. All of them names there here, back and front. So please, if you want to support, go ahead and talk, say something.
So you know the amount that their name are not there.
Which one?
Those ones that you know.
The first one, I will pull our app now.
Yes, sir.
We'll pull our hat. If anybody not donating in 2 minutes, no cut the video now. I said it, you pay for it, pay for information. I have information that will favor you. Human trafficking and Central must stop. I'm Johnny Eddie Murphy. All those Central boys, human trafficker boys in Europe, will slap all of them, will slap them like children. I'll go carry one girl coming from Europe. When she give me story of what one of our brother, I don't mention them, what one of our brother what they form said, do one babe call me. What one of our brother do. Is it fair? Will you treat your sister the way you have treated that girl? Okay, so do you have any donation? So this is my team. Jerry Brown and this my brother Bobby. We are involved in real estate project. We are currently working on a real estate project together. So if you have a land for sale or a house, we can help you market it. We can also help you build. We can do so many things for you. We have our own architectural. We can design. We can do anything for you. We can renovate. It's coming from me. If you can't trust me in Nigeria, there's nobody else to trust. Believe me. If you cannot trust me, you don't need to trust anybody else. If you don't trust me, know that all trust is dead in Nigeria, because I think that I have 90% integrity, okay? I have 90% integrity. You can trust me. We have so many properties for sale now. We have a property in Ring Road. It's a personal property in Ring Road, Urban Market Road, off Urban Market Road. We have a property there. It's measuring 30 by 100. Have you? 30 by 100 is a personal property you want to sell. We have a 4 flat in Ugbo. By Moby Road, that road is for sale. We have one in Aduawa. So if you need property or if you want to sell, call us, but it has to be in a decent area that we can easily sell. We don't want to stress, you understand? We don't want to stress. We want to make our soft money, soft money. All right, so let's go further. Since nobody else is donating, because now I hear free information, I greet all of you now. Tomorrow, now another day, we will talk. And those of you now who don't donate, at least over here, if these are probably 250 and 250, have you? In their favor and blessing blessed. We will wait for 30 minutes, because 30 minutes will soon reach, so that if you're not there, Because some people feel the reason say you enter. If you don't do, if you don't say you don't do. What do you think, Larry?
Yes, boss.
So my people, that's what the matter I come to play. I did Lagos with my friend, all my friends, because me, I be one top Nigerian celebrity. In case you never know, I am the first humanitarian celebrity we Nigeria made. I am the first celebrity that is a humanitarian in Nigeria.
How much for the 4 flat?
4 flat, 25 million. Both of them asking. They go and look at it. They will go from there. The 4 flat in Ugbo is my personal property. And I also have 10 plots of land along bypass road, just 2 minutes from Oluku. I have 10 plots there. I bought this property 7 years ago. And I had some boys who never even get land for Ibioko. Walk on the race shoulder. Now I punch your eye. Yeah? So, like I was saying, I don't think that we should live in a world where everything becomes injustice. I don't think that because you have a personal hatred for anyone, you should use your little power as an oppression. I don't think that because you are more influential, you should oppress the poor. I think that no matter how influential you are, you should join those people you see doing good to help them rise. Because when they are rising, you too is rising. It's natural. Look at this drink. I'm rising it. I'm going up. But if I'm trying to bring the drink down, I'm going down, man. I respect what my man, I listened to my man, Goodluck Jonathan, video last night. He said, if I do anything to kill the Onosage, I did not kill the Onosage, I killed this good. And that's a fact. If you try to halt me down, try to close me down, they have done everything possible from the likes of Albert. Everybody has done everything just to make sure that we don't grow. It is the perfect definition of the hate they are talking about when they say believe people to the hate. This is what they are saying. I'm so proud that I've been able to use myself to show the world the hate the people talk about. Because I hear they say, if you're doing more, but I am a living example because I have not done anything wrong. I have not done anybody anything wrong. I'm sick, guys. The problem with Nigeria, which person is sick? Generator, heat, everything. Okay, so that's how we see the matter. Anyway, many of you, okay, I think I should just brief you guys a little bit about what happened. All right, so I was in the Eddie Award, which is like the MTV award, very big award ceremony in Lagos. I was there with my friends, Maleke, Bovi, Akboro, Gordons. We all was there, AY, having a good time. I was tired. We got home at about 4 a.m. I was tired. I was like, you know what? Our Oba is having a birthday. I am in Nigeria. I must attend. I have to attend. You understand? My Oba is having a birthday. I'm in Nigeria. I have to attend. I look for a ticket. Wow. You are so sweet. Amaka just sent us a message that she has a gift for my mom. Please, guys, help me say prayer for my mom. She is a courageous woman, a mother that enemies have been fighting his son for the past 2 years and still continue to pray. You know, say, my pikin, run, I don't want you. You think she don't have a heart? She does. But she believed in the vision of his son. If my mom did not encourage me, if my mom worried so much, I would have left the job, left people to suffer. Hey, I enjoy myself. When I'm tired, I fly to Spain or fly to America and chill. When I get to America, I drive Uber. If I drive Uber in America, I can make $1,000 every week. After I work 3 months, I come back to Nigeria and enjoy 2 months. There are a lot of persons who live their life like that. But how are we building the community if we are not able to contribute our quota to nation building? You come to Nigeria, you see your family rush back. Come on, man. We can do better. You understand? We can do better by joining hands together to make that change. So I came to Benin, got to the palace. The same day the event was, the same day I came to the palace. Me, Two-Face, and Maleke flew together. We were all excited. I got to the palace, you know, greeted everybody. Hey, Dion, you are welcome. Are you in town? Love. You saw the live video there. We entered the palace to greet the number, because when some of the chiefs who know us, Dion, you are here. Come on in, come on in. That's how we got in. After we got in, everybody's greeting each other. I settled my brother, Ifa Louis, S. Prince Igion. I was, bro, what's up? I tried to say hi to him. Bro, how you doing now? The guy was looking so mean. He was not happy. But it's a day of celebration, a day of love, a day of unity. I don't want you to be angry, bro. I said, bro, if I've ever offended you in any way, please, let's squash it, man. You're my brother. Let love be the answer, man. Well, since grab me, say, man, where? Now I'm going here. Yeah. I said, no, come on, bro. We are brother. He said, okay, kneel down. To begin. I mean, me not thinking of anything, me seeing him as a prince, an Oba's son. I mean, why can't I kneel down for my prince, guys? A person who calls himself a prince, who is known as a prince, who made me believe he's a prince. Because most people in Europe greet Ifa Louis, a prince. I talk about, hey, I've been to different events where you dress like a king. I did. I agree. I thought everything was squashed. I went outside, hanging out with my people. Wasunu was there. So many people were there. We were just having fun, loving the Oba, you know, doing our thing. The next thing I heard was like, Oni. Even the person who was showing past me, he said, Oni, now, Oba no. I said, huh? Man, Oba. Then the chief said, you know all those old palace chiefs trying to be very, very aggressive, sort of. But I had to control my temper, because I knew if I lose my mind, I probably would have been banned from the palace, because of such a beautiful day. You have to create no drama. But Igion did not know that. On such a beautiful day, why must you create drama in a place of celebration, where people from around the world, from around the states, different kings came to celebrate? Why must you create any drama, man? Well, I controlled myself and let it go. They told us to come back on Tuesday. On Tuesday, I went to the palace with my crew. Some of our beneficiaries who were supposed to receive accolades from us knew that we were in the palace. They came. We didn't invite them. They came to meet us in the palace. I was even shocked to see one of our partners, excuse me. I was shocked to see this lady, if you know her very well. This is a lady, she had fibroid. Can you see that, Larry?
Yes, boss.
Watch this lady very carefully. I was shocked. Her name is Mercy Oko. She had fibroid almost the size of a baby on her tummy. She could not help herself. This is the same lady today. You see the difference? I was shocked to see her in the palace yesterday. You see the difference, right? So how could this kind of person be an enemy to a kingdom and they bring people back to life? The young man, Igion, was insisting on Tuesday, on Sunday that they must take me to go and swear. They must take me to Juba. I said, what have this young man done? Do you have any evidence about it? He said, I deleted it. So you don't delete them. I said, no, this is what I said. I did not deny what I said. I said, this is what I said. I said that things like this should not be done in the kingdom, or there are other ways we can make things work. I said, that's what you said. Do you have the video? I said, yes. Thank you to our sister who wants to help me find the video. I sent the video. Come back on Tuesday. Let's see how things are going to go. The young man, Ifa Louis, was thinking that on Tuesday, he came with like a boss. He think that on Tuesday they will just naked me, humiliate me, put me on camera, say genocide, drink water. But miraculously, the table turned around after enough talk. What you know, the honest truth is, I didn't have to say anything because 99% of people in the palace knew our work. Say, "Oh, na genocide, no go pathology. Oh, na genocide, oh, na genocide." So 99% of the people that were in the palace were with us. So I had nothing else to say. All I said that this is what I said though. I did not know any better. I am sorry. Please, you guys, forgive me. The palace was happy with that. They gave me advice, say, my son, if Nama I'm normal, ask, they will correct you. Do your best to not do it anymore. We'll keep projecting the door. Then I went to my friend. Say, okay, well, what's my Ugyomba, Ira. So this one, yeah. So who is your father?
Simple question.
You know, who is your father, man? That's simple question, eh? Now 1 year, my father, Ira. To cut another Sabito story, I'm not a gossiper. You know, I'm not saying this to blacklist him, but just to give people an idea of what happened. So long story short, a lot of drama happened before that. A lot of sin happened. Even Maleke was there. Maleke said a story of how he gossiped Skimmy Yan, Destiny Bagua, and Wesley. Maleke confronted him, said, "What matter me?" You know, so let's not go about that. A lot of sins happened. But what baffled me the most is that at the end of the day, we now find out that it was the chiefs in the palace and our #1 Owerri who were explaining to us, because every day is a learning process for us. I'm very, very happy that the incident happened yesterday because it got me closer to the palace. So they explained, say, man, Igion is your mother's side. You and your mother's side, once your mother is married, you don't have any tie to the palace again. You are not a prince. Why am a prince here? Prince guy no Europe, where I want it. So I don't know how to prince talk me. What if you are a chief here? Come on, man. Come on, bro. Your own yash they leak water. You they look person own way dry. My own yash if I water, I yash should dry self. I need water. You understand? Long story short, words of advice was given, and you know, we left the palace. And for those of you saying that we drink water, the only water where I drink for palace yesterday, who buy me something yesterday, sir? Who buy me that Fanta? Okay, the only water we me drink for palace now the Fanta and egg roll they buy for me. So if you drink any other water, I don't know where for drink am. So, but even if you drink water, now your belly drink and put. So for those of you who continue to listen to rumor, that's your choice. You have heard from me. You can continue to listen to whatever you want. But like I said, the palace treated us very, very well. The palace treated, me personally, yes. I can say the palace treated me very, very well. I'm very, very happy with the accomplishment. They are giving me full access to come into the palace anytime that so many persons cannot enter, right? So it's a good one, and we are able to now find out that Igion is not a prince, he's not a chief, he's answering his mother's name. What kind of man is not proud of his father's name? Right?
That was what I was.
Yes, what kind of man cannot be proud of his father's name? Because you want people to see you as a cultural lineage, or like the urban lineage. You are answering Prince Igion when you are not even related to Igion. You abandon your own father's name, took your mother's name. So I've told him yesterday in the palace, as a confirmed chief that I am, if I see him anywhere carrying himself as a prince or a chief, it's going to be a big problem, because it's now my duty to protect the interest of our kingdom. Igion cannot, he's not going to try him, not be threat, because I'm not going to allow it. So what did I expect to do person bad?
Not just Igion, in general.
Yes, it's a general message. If you are not a chief or a prince, you cannot be dressing, wearing red cap, wearing all this thing, carrying a bow in your hand. A prince I thought, oh yeah, nah. Let's say you don't say you have Sakura. Now, thank God. Just thank God. Say, but you notice yesterday, I not to talk.
Yeah.
If that say God don't enter me.
I was boss. That Sunday I was scared though, because you just control your temper. I was thinking you just.
Of course now.
You know, I died when he also came back. He was saying that he wants to point me and Larry. You understand?
Like
but
that.
Just, yeah.
Sure.
He mentioned this guy's name.
Push me.
He said they should push me.
Yes.
Yes, now he was also saying that.
You know the
Yes. But what I just saying is, you know, those people who comfort Jesus Christ, you know, who betrayed Jesus Christ, they are no more. But today we still use Jesus Christ's name to pray.
Yes.
So you understand? When you are doing good, good will also fight for you, no matter what. They might do things, so God said, it's inside the Bible, He said they might plan, but we will not complain. But He just did it in our favor, and this is not first time.
Of
people
course.
have been saying this a
All
lot.
things that don't have to be
Against,
good.
we always get, and the viewers are there. I just want them, if you have not donate, please just do that.
Yes.
Because
Very
this is the time
Of
for
course.
you to show us love,
Of
that
course.
you really love
Godsend
Ambassador
Foundation,
Dion
yes.
Osagie and the Godsend Foundation.
Yes.
Thank you. And also, I'm going to thank all Godsend family all over the world. They really stand for us.
Yes, so too
For the
much.
prayer, I know a lot of them were just calling, alpha. But we thank God we won the victory and we won everything.
Yeah, we are doing a victory party. What do you
Yeah.
have to
Says,
say?
how can any Benin man be engaged the palace?
Exactly.
You know, a normal sensible person or a normal traditional person as a Benin man cannot be engaged the palace.
At all.
It's wrong.
And
You know.
listen, guys, it's very, very clear. This is a message from the palace. All right? Nobody have the right to label anybody as an enemy of the palace. Only the Oba of Benin has the right to do that. Is that clear? So anybody labeling you as an enemy of the palace is very, very wrong. You can't do that. Only the Oba of Benin has the right to label somebody at the no. The OWA, the OWA number one mother said him himself. The OWA said he himself cannot label anybody as an enemy.
Yeah,
You understand?
Already labeled them
Yes.
as, be scared.
Yes. So because labeling people as enemy of our kingdom will scare so many Edo citizens away, and we don't want our people to be scared of their roots. You understand? We don't want our people to be scared of their roots. All right. So I don't think there's any more I need to talk about.
No.
I think I've said enough. All right. It's been a victorious day, and I heard some women who have crushes on me. I've been singing with my name on social media, but I have no one to look at them anyway. I have no one to look at it because of time. All right. I always focus on the important things that matters to me. So if you have a crush on me and I'm not letting you have it, please don't be angry. If you have a crush on me, obviously, I remember some time ago when I went to Italy, some babes saw me. What is it? Huh? It's okay. I thank you guys anyway for your promotion, because even the negative comments is promoting our work in a way. So, you know, it's not a big deal. Let them say, let them talk. Continue to do our best. Dion Osagie will get the picture of your bola. We will not see bola till today. Dion Osagie will get a picture where woman they suck your dick. We will not see it today. Dion Osagie, I have naked. We will not see it today. Dion Osagie, Dion Osagie, the most talked about youth in Edo State, in Nigeria itself now. As my matter arise, they don't forget to look about matter now. And don't forget about the matter. Now my matter, everybody talk now. So it's a good one. I feel good. I feel special, like a superstar. That's why I'm drinking my hero. And what else? Nothing much to say, but to advise you to make a donation. Please give me your phone. Let me call some names there, because sometimes you have to force people to receive blessing. Because if you don't bless me today, you are not ever going to be blessed. Yes, let me force some people to help me write this thing down. Let me force some people to give me blessing. They are just watching. About almost 800 people. 800 people are not if you bless me. 800 people are not if you bless me.
I think almost every said, I don't know.
Almost if you bless me now.
Let's you donate.
No, almost if you bless me now. Almost every. Mr. Koda, make you donate the money in March. Almost every. I thought you guys were dating one time or something.
We are friends.
Okay, we are friends. Okay. But I was explaining some kind of movement. I said I wasn't be sure. Okay. Moses, that's my man. Moses. What's up, bro? Thank you, my brother. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much. Thanks. Yeah, you don't need to be disturbed. I told God, I said, God, if you exist, if our work is genuine, show me. God has shown me too many signs, bro, for me not to continue my work. People are wicked, bro. People are so wicked. People are wicked. Yes. Yeah. It's crazy, bro. Life is crazy, man. Jealousy and envy is real, bro. Yeah. Okay. God send foundation. No. I trust you, bro. Why? Alright. Okay, just send to my WhatsApp. Yeah. Alright, no problem. Alright, boss. Alright, no problem. He's on the group now. Yeah. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah. Alright, so many congrats from around the world. Do you have anything to say?
Just to say thank you to all God Sent Foundation family, and what we experienced in the palace on Sunday is the beginning of our victory, because it was an operation the highest order. It was sudden. The man you fed is your elder brother, you knelt down before him, you hugged him, you even kissed his hand. At the end, he still went outside, was trying to display a public disgrace. I believe it's a shameful thing before him now. But the table turned around before him. If he can deny the father's name, if my papa make him be shoemaker, I know if he deny him. So if he can deny the father's name and be answering the mother's name, I believe that guy
is wrong.
that guy.
That's
that guy go
homophobia.
May I go check whether something is wrong with. Even me when I be Benin, if they accuse me say, "I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna buy it."
Love or power. So I think that in the near future, I think that we're going to help the Great Kingdom to analyze some of the unnecessary chiefs that we have. Like the Omede, who is a drug dealer in Europe. I spoke to him yesterday. Omede, somebody like Omede, who call himself Awo somebody. He's not a Benin chief, he's an Uselu chief. Alright, Uselu chief is different from Benin chief, alright? He's a drug dealer in Europe. We cannot have such people representing our platforms, our kingdom. So we're going to find a way to write an article to the palace. There are some chiefs that need to be stripped out. Like Igion is a known human trafficker. We all know that. Most of you in Europe knows that. Igion is a known human trafficker. Why would a known human trafficker still be associating with our great land? Why would a drug dealer? The one in Germany, what's his name? The big head. I talked to him today. You want to intimidate me? I mean, want to intimidate. I'm mad. This one became. This guy blocked me on WhatsApp, man. Look at him. He called himself I want Soba. So this one, I called him on WhatsApp yesterday. When the guy yelling at me and the guy blocked me, I want to investigate them. I think it's my job now. They have made it my duty since they want to find people who are not good. They want to find people who are not good. So me get team who will help them do the job well. All right. We have a strong media team. We have God Sent family members around the world who can help them. So I'm going to start investigating why they created the Royal Army, because it has found out that the first one, which is Okoro, was now an Ogie, presenting himself as one. Prince Igion, whose name is Ifalui, presenting himself as a prince. So much is wrong, and we are going to correct it. So many of the chiefs need to be rebranded. Being a chief is not just going to events to dance Kelekuku. Being a chief is making an impact. Genosage is the real chief. All right, so I'm done talking. I'm tired. No, so what we need to do now is more donation. Or I think that should be enough now. But the 250k this person is saying, we never see a Molari. The 250K, we never see them more. We never can change them. Alright, so that's it. One love, guys. Like I said, wrapping up, is your choice to believe what you want. If a person said something one time, you find out it was a lie. The person said something the second time, you find out it was a lie. The third time the person said on that thing, you are even having a mind to believe them, it means that you need to go see a doctor. You need to be evaluated. A fool is not the person who carry rumor. A fool is the person who take rumors seriously from uncredited people who have no credit. I mean, it's almost, I'm not saying I don't lie, I do lie, but you have never caught me in one lie. Of course, whoa. I'm not saying I don't lie, but you have never caught me in one lie. You have never said, this is what they said about Jenosagi, this is what they said. You know what? If you can, this is a bet for everybody. If you can show when we were drinking the water, I give you instant alert of 1 million. It's the bet. If you can show where they said Jenosagi and others were drinking water, 1 million naira for you from Noado, random out of kindness. Go and do your homework. Pull it out. I love you guys. Alright? Meanwhile, don't forget the donations, man.